Hello, I'm Sean Stewart, Applications Engineer here at Okuma America, and we're here with our Lindex-Nikken presetter, available for demos for customers and machines as well. Having a presetter here in the showroom helps us demonstrate to customers the returns they can achieve by having an offline tool length capabilities instead of using machine spindle, so the machine can be cutting parts instead of measuring tools. Presetters can free up spindles so they do not have to touch off tool lengths and keep the spindle turning, so spindle optimization can be increased. Buying a presetter at machine install or soon after can give the maximum benefit of the presetter of having that spindle turning as much as it can for as long as it can. I'm here with Eric Hartman, presetter specialist with Lindex-Nikken.
Thanks, Sean, and thanks for the opportunity to have us here in the Okuma Partners in Technology showroom with our Elbo Controlli NIKKEN presetter so that we can help you and help your customers overcome manufacturing challenges like reducing setup time and optimizing their spindle uptime. So Sean, what does it mean to you and to Okuma to have Lindex-Nikken here as one of your partners in technology?
With Lindex-Nikken being a partner in technology, it allows us the seamless integration and the demonstration capabilities of your products as well as our products.
What makes an Elbo Controlli NIKKEN presetter the presetter of choice for Okuma Partners in Technology?
The Nikken presetter allows us seamless integration with the tool ID system, and also it uses a mechanical clamping system as opposed to an air clamping system that some other builders use. So Eric, what differentiates Elbo Controlli NIKKEN presetters from other manufacturers?
So there's 4 things that we like to talk about. Number 1 is all of our presetters are built with a granite base and granite column for thermal stability, so they can be in untemperature controlled shop environments. Number 2 is they all have an interchangeable spindle. So if I just pull on this spindle, I can remove it out. I can exchange this 40 taper for a 50 taper, an HSK, or whatever I need. We're never selling you a reducing sleeve where you might be stacking tolerances, which can always add error. Number 3 is we offer software updates for the presetter, free for the life of the presetter. Just register with Elbo Controlli NIKKEN's website and they'll send you any software updates that come out. And number 4 is definitely the tool ID system. So it uses a data matrix scanning system where the tool offset data is sent directly to the machine control without any risk of anyone fat fingering a number, which always can lead to broken tools or scrap parts. So Sean, how does having a presetter here in the Partners in Technology showroom help local manufacturers?
Local manufacturers can stop by anytime and have a demonstration on here on the presetter and with the machine, or they can go contact their local distributor and have them do the demonstration as well.
And Lindex-Nikken always has a local sales representative to help support Okuma to educate local manufacturers and help them out to see how a presetter could benefit their manufacturing processes and how it could improve their facilities. So Elbo Controlli NIKKEN presetters are intuitive and easy to use. Let me walk you through the steps real quick and we'll touch off this tool and send its tool length offset data to the machine control. So first I'm going to take this tool, just place it into the spindle. I'm going to use our clamping system to draw the tool down. I'll move the camera into place just until I see the tip of the tool. From there, I'm going to click on my TID button and I'll scan the data matrix code on the tool. Then I can assign a tool number. In this case, it's going to be 114. And I can save a Z offset value, which it's pulling automatically from here. Then I just press on my tool ID button again and scan it again just to confirm. And all the offset data is saved to the tool ID system. So I'll take the tool out. I'll come over to the machine tool, come to our loading station here, press on the machine icon and press load. Scan the tool. It's going to confirm the tool number and all the offset data for me. And as soon as I press load, the offset data is written to the control. And it's as easy as that. So Sean, thank you very much for having us here today. Lindex-Nikken loves being a partner in technology with Okuma and helping local manufacturers in the Charlotte area.
And Eric, thank you for being here and supporting us with your equipment and expertise and showing our customers what they can achieve with your products.